Components of a fraction. Each fraction is composed of three components. 1. Numerator, which is the number written at the top part of a fraction. It represents the number of parts of a whole involved in the process. 2. Denominator, which is the number written at the bottom part of a fraction. It represents the total number of parts the whole is divided. 3. Fraction bar, which is a horizontal line that separates numerator from denominator. We have the following on screen. Recall that fractions are nothing more than the rational numbers we have discussed in tutorial 1.2. A fraction can be written either in the previous, vertical, form or in the linear form a, b, used in the example. Both notations are equivalent. In popular terminology, we refer to the fraction 1/4 as 1/4, 1/2 as 1/2, 3/4 as 3/4, and 4/4 as a whole. That is all for lesson 3.1.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.1.3, Equivalent Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.